Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be unboxing a pretty cool fidget. I don't know what the name of this thing is, but it looks pretty cool. So let's get right into it. Here I have a screwdriver. And then what's this? Oh, a patch from MOT. Oh, I think this is just let's go ahead and check this out. I'm gonna put this aside, but I've only seen this thing in pictures, never in person. I have no idea what the name of this thing is. If I remember it or I find out, I'll add a clip in and I'll let you guys know. So yeah, this looks similar to this kind of looks similar to these fidgets I have. This is by a company called Ruisha, I think. And yeah, this is like called the egg or something. It's like a bulky desk fidget. They're pretty cool. I use them like on my desk every now and then. And then this thing right here, it's pretty cool. But yeah, it reminded me of this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna put these aside now. All right, let's get right into it. I'm gonna poke a hole up there. Slide it up. Let me go ahead and open it up. Let's get it out. Oh my goodness, this thing looks amazing. Just look at the detail on this thing. This is, I believe, zircon material. So it's a clicker on the top here. It's like a desk spinner. Oh, I see. That's pretty cool. So clicker, spinner, and then a desk spinner. That's pretty cool. So I think, where's the box? So I think these accessories were for it. It's like a bearing, a clicker, and then like an extra tool. I think we just threw in a MOT patch, I think. That's pretty cool of them. But yeah. Yeah, this thing just looks amazing. So this really reminds me of my, one second, let me find it. This reminds me of my Mag U slider. Same thing, and then spins. So yeah, but this thing is just, I just love this material. Looks so pretty. Just look at the detail. Hold on, let me get a, all right, here I have a cloth. I'm gonna clean this thing. Oh, that part spins as well. Wait, let me just clean this thing. I don't even want to touch it with my bare fingers. All right, let me like, still got some fingerprints on it, damn it. Just look at that material. It's amazing. But damn, this thing is so pretty. It's not that heavy as well too. It's pretty light. I wish I had a scale. I gotta get one too. Gotta get a scale. But yeah, I'm just absolutely in love with this thing. You guys can see the camera holder and the ring light. Like, even that part of inside is just zircuite. That's like really cool. Not even too sure what this thing's worth. I'll put the price up here on what these go for. But this thing just looks amazing. I wouldn't want to use it as a desk spinner because it can just fall over and then dent it. I think this would just be a better use for it. Even this bottom thing is zircuite. But this thing looks amazing, like I've said like 10,000 times. All right, that's it. It's a clicker, spinner again, a clicker, and then a spinner at the bottom. I really love this thing. It just feels amazing, man. It's not heavy at all, like I said. But yeah, here's another close-up. All right, well, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.